What's up everyone, it's Arian, and today we're diving deep into the world of Excel automation. Now before you click away thinking this is just for spreadsheet wizards, trust me, this is about to change your workflow game. If you're still manually entering data or running repetitive tasks in Excel, you're likely wasting precious time and risking errors. Excel automation can help eliminate the need for manual work, drastically saving time and improving accuracy. Instead of focusing on routine tasks, automation lets you direct your energy toward more strategic and creative tasks, those that drive your project or business forward. We're talking generating reports, cleaning data, applying complex formulas, all happening in the blink of an eye and with way more precision than any of us humans can manage. In this video, we're putting three popular Excel automation tools head-to-head: ClosedXML, OpenXML, and Intro.js. We'll break down their strengths, weaknesses, and ideal use cases so you can pick the perfect tool for your specific needs. First up, we have ClosedXML, and let me tell you, this one is all about ease of use. If you're new to automation or just want a straightforward way to streamline your Excel tasks, ClosedXML is your go-to. It's like the entry-level smartphone of automation tools, simple, intuitive, and gets the job done without needing a degree in rocket science. ClosedXML boasts a clean and intuitive API, making it super easy to write and understand your automation code. We're talking about simple, readable syntax that even your manager, who still thinks the cloud is an actual cloud in the sky, could understand. But don't let that simplicity fool you. ClosedXML packs a punch when it comes to features. It can handle everything from creating and modifying workbooks and worksheets to populating cells with data, formatting cells like a pro, and even working its magic with formulas. We're talking about taking those tedious, repetitive tasks that make you question your life choices and turning them into a few lines of code. Imagine this. You need to generate a monthly sales report. Instead of manually copying, pasting, and formatting data for hours on end, you can use ClosedXML to automate the entire process. It's like having your own personal assistant, but instead of fetching coffee, it's crunching numbers and making you look like an Excel rock star. And speaking of looking like a rock star, ClosedXML is also great for automating invoice generation. No more manually updating invoice numbers, customer details, or product information. ClosedXML can pull all that data from your system and create perfectly formatted invoices in a snap. Time saved, accuracy improved, customers impressed. It's a win-win-win situation, but ClosedXML's talents don't stop there. It can also lend a helping hand with data imports and exports. Need to import a CSV file into Excel and format it just right? ClosedXML has got your back. Want to export data from your Excel sheet into a different format? Consider it done. Now, Closed.xml might not be the most feature-packed library out there, and if you're trying to do some super complex next-level automation wizardry, you might need to look elsewhere. But for most everyday Excel tasks, it's like having a magic wand that takes the pain out of spreadsheets. So if you're ready to ditch the manual labor and level up your Excel game, give ClosedXML a try. It's free, it's easy to use, and it just might change the way you work with Excel forever. Next up, we're stepping up our game with OpenXML, the more powerful, more customizable, and yes, slightly more complex older brother of ClosedXML. If ClosedXML is the user-friendly smartphone, OpenXML is like building your own custom PC. You've got way more power and control, but it requires a bit more technical know-how. OpenXML takes a deep dive into the underlying XML structure of Excel files, giving you granular control over every aspect of your spreadsheet. We're talking about the ability to manipulate individual XML elements and attributes, which translates to unparalleled flexibility in what you can achieve. This means you can create incredibly complex and customized Excel reports that would make even the most seasoned spreadsheet guru's jaw drop. Think dynamic charts and graphs, intricate formatting, and data manipulation that goes beyond what you thought was possible with Excel. OpenXML is also the go-to tool for automating financial models, which, let's be honest, are the lifeblood of many businesses. These models often involve complex calculations, intricate formatting, and the need for rock-solid accuracy. OpenXML gives you the power and precision to automate these models with confidence, freeing you up to focus on the big picture financial decisions. But with great power comes, well, you know the rest. OpenXML's learning curve is definitely steeper than Closed.xml's. You'll need to be comfortable working with XML and have a good understanding of the OpenXML SDK. But hey, nobody said becoming an Excel Jedi Master was going to be easy. Think of it like this. Closed.xml lets you order your favorite pizza with a few taps on your phone. OpenXML is like having access to the entire kitchen, giving you the freedom to create your own culinary masterpiece. But you better know your way around a spatula and a rolling pin. So, when should you choose OpenXML over ClosedXML? If you need ultimate control over your Excel files, are dealing with highly customized reports or complex financial models, and aren't afraid of getting your hands dirty with some XML, OpenXML is the tool for you. It's like leveling up your automation game from casual gamer to esports champion. It might take more effort to master, but the rewards in terms of power and flexibility are well worth the journey. Chapter 3, your guide to an interactive Excel experience. Now for something completely different. Let's talk about Intro.js, the tool that takes Excel automation beyond just automating tasks. Intro.js is all about enhancing the user experience, making your spreadsheets more interactive and engaging. Imagine this, you've created a powerful financial model in Excel that's going to revolutionize your business, but there's just one problem. It's so complex that only you and a handful of other spreadsheet wizards in your company can actually use it. That's where Intro.js comes in. Intro.js allows you to create interactive tutorials and walkthroughs directly within your Excel spreadsheets. It's like having a friendly guide right there in your spreadsheet, walking users through each step, explaining complex formulas and making sure they don't accidentally break anything important. This is a game changer for onboarding new employees, training users on complex spreadsheets, and even creating interactive tutorials for clients or customers. Instead of bombarding them with lengthy manuals or boring training sessions, you can use Intro.js to create an engaging and interactive learning experience. Think of it like this. You've just bought the latest and greatest gadget, but the instruction manual is about the size of a small dictionary. Intro.js is like having a series of pop-up bubbles appear on the device itself, guiding you through each feature and button. Intro.js is particularly useful for companies that rely heavily on Excel-based tools. It can drastically reduce the learning curve for new employees, minimize errors caused by confusion or lack of training, and ultimately boost user adoption of your Excel-based systems. And the best part, Intro.js is incredibly easy to implement. It's a JavaScript library that integrates seamlessly with your existing spreadsheets. You don't need to be a coding whiz to create stunning and effective interactive tutorials. So, if you're looking for a way to make your Excel spreadsheets more user-friendly, engaging, and accessible to a wider audience, Intro.js is definitely worth checking out. It's like giving your spreadsheets a voice, a personality, and a whole lot more user appeal. Outro: choosing the right tool for your Excel automation journey. So, there you have it, folks. ClosedXML, OpenXML, and Intro.js, 3 powerful tools that can transform the way you work with Excel. Whether you're automating tedious tasks, creating complex reports, or enhancing the user experience, there's a tool here for you. If you're just starting out and need something simple and user-friendly, ClosedXML is the best choice. For advanced projects where customization and control are essential, OpenXML gives you the flexibility you need. And if you want to guide users through complex spreadsheets and make them more user-friendly, Intro.js is the ideal tool for interactive tutorials. Ultimately, the right tool depends on your project requirements, coding experience, and goals. Experiment with each library and see which one best fits your workflow. Happy automating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more engineering tips and tutorials. Have any questions or challenges? Drop them in the comments below.